In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to connect an external SSD to your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. Now, fortunately, most SSDs come with a Type-C connector, so that should make things extremely easy, given that the new iPhone 16s have a Type-C port, just like the iPhone 15s. So to connect, all you have to do is just connect the cable from the SSD into your iPhone. Now, there's not going to be any pop-up or any sound from your iPhone 16 to let you know that it's connected. But if you open the this particular one needs a fingerprint, but that's fine. So the only way to check if your SSD is actually connected to the iPhone is to go to the Files app. So I'm just looking for the Files app. So open the Files app and then go to Browse. And when you go to the Browse page, under Locations, you will see your SSD if it's connected. So mine is the T7 Samsung. You can see it right there. So you can tap on it, and then now you can see folders and files inside that SSD. Okay. So for instance, as you can see, we have that folder with some photos in there, and you can scroll and look at photos inside the files and folders of your SSD. Okay, so that means basically you can now start copying files and folders from the SSD to the iPhone and from the iPhone to the SSD. So for instance, in the SSD, I'll get into this folder, and then if I want to copy this image, I long press on it and then tap on copy, and then I can go back and then select on my iPhone, which basically means your iPhone's internal storage, and then look for a folder like this, and I can long press and paste that item there. Okay, and I can do this also from the iPhone's memory to the SSD. Now, most people like to transfer photos and videos from your iPhone directly to the SSD. Now, the best way to do this is to go first of all to the Files app, get inside your SSD. Inside the SSD, create a folder. So long press an empty space and then select new folder, and then give your folder a name. So I'll call mine test transfer photos. Okay, so that's my new folder. And so now if I want to transfer photos and videos, all I have to do is go to my gallery or the Photos app, tap on select all the photos and videos I want to transfer to the SD card, and then tap on the share icon. And then from the share menu, go to save to files, tap on that, and then go to the home page of your Files app by tapping on the back button. So here, select your SSD and then select the folder that you wanted, and then tap on save in the top right corner. Once the transfer is complete, you can confirm by opening back the Files app, going to your folder, and you can see our photos and videos have been successfully transferred. So that is basically how to connect and even transfer photos and videos to and from an SSD and your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tips, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.